Holy shit. What the fuck happened? Oh, this is like a fresh ass accident. Oh no. Damn. Oh shit. This just happened right now?
What?
This just happened right now?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm right. Big rig merged into my thing with the, while I was on the side. I guess I was this blind spot.
Uh-huh.
Forced me off the side, or forced me into the fucking middle of the road.
Holy shit.
Stop either, he just kept going.
Holy shit. Did it just happen right now?
Yeah, like,
what does the big rig look like?
It just went down that way.
Oh, he went that way?
Yeah, he just kept
Fuck.
going, dude. I was like right on the side, just riding this, you know, going in the middle, fucking turn. I tried to my best to, like, you know, at least go this way.
Oh, he was in the turn lane or something?
He was in the middle, I was in his left lane. I was exactly parallel with him. And then he's merging, I know, still just trying to merge. He's either, I fucking do that, he's either he pushes me off, or I had to like try and veer. And I tried to veer and my car just skid. Hopefully the fingers work or something. Got his plate, I don't know.
He just kept going?
Yeah, he just kept going, didn't even stop.
How long ago was it?
Like 3-4 minutes ago.
Fuck, I was gonna say I could probably go find him.
You still probably could.
Yeah, I can catch up to him at every red light. So what does the truck look like? And which side did he hit you on?
Oh, but he didn't hit me. I had to veer. I didn't let him.
Oh.
I tried my best to avoid him. So I don't know who's. I don't even know if that's his fault technically, but I mean it was either he pushes me and I can hit the fucking pole or.
Bro, you good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm sorry about that. That bigger was about to ram right into me.
You got call someone?
My phone's I just went off.
Has anyone called anyone?
Our phone's in there, so don't phone about right now. Call 911?
Yeah, I think we need.
Yeah, you're gonna have to file an incident report or something, because they're gonna have to come clean all that shit up.
Find the person that's trying to. It was that big rig that was right in the middle.
So he went off?
Yeah, he just kept going. I mean, they have this. I don't know if those cameras even work, to be honest. You never know.
The ones at Herndon do, or at Blackstone. They might be able to catch him that way, but what'd the truck look like though?
It was a. What was that? I can't hear you. My car is do you have it in park?
Yeah, just put it in park, you'll be fine.
They'll have to figure it out until police get through.
Yeah. Yeah, too bad he wasn't going this way. I could.
Yeah. You have to run and go get it.
Holy shit.
Tell people to stop.
Holy shit.
At least the car's not total if it's fucking running.
Oh man. I mean, it's shit. Now there's shit in 2 lanes. That's fucking crazy. Did you call the cops?
Yeah.
Okay.
My car's leaking oil.
Are you alright though?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I stepped on some glass, but I was just trying to run and check on them.
Yeah.
I mean, I hit them face first, so.
Oh shit. Yeah, this is probably just radiator stuff. This is probably just water. Yeah, it's all clear. That's just radiator, dude.
No, my engine was fucked. I could hear it. But whatever, man.
I mean, yeah, you just hit a car.
Miles.
Do you have insurance on it?
Yeah.
Full coverage?
Yeah.
Cool.
But you know them, considering like the big rig, they're gonna say like I should have stayed in the lane or something like that.
Just dude, get your statement down now. Get your, you know what I mean? Because it's either you get ran over by a big rig or you crash your car. So it's the lesser of the two, you know.
In hindsight, I should just fucking like, I don't know, stop my car.
Yeah. I always get real nervous around them. I try and just pass them because I'm like invisible.
Like speed in front of that.
Yeah.
But I don't know, this guy was right.
That's fucking nuts, dude. Too bad he couldn't give a description of the semi. I wonder if they'll be able to catch him with traffic cameras or something. I don't know if this intersection has them.